it's raining. I wanted to go to the beach today. Well, I'm visiting a haunted house this afternoon. You can come with me if you like. A haunted house? What is it like? It's really dark, with lots of old furniture and pictures on the walls. It's called a haunted house because it's full of ghosts. You're joking, right? I don't believe in ghosts. Where is the haunted house? The house is in the old forest. Oh, are you really sure you want to go? What's wrong? I thought you didn't believe in ghosts. Well, I don't really believe in ghosts, but... That's okay. I don't believe in ghosts either. I was only joking. The old house isn't really haunted. It's just a very old, empty house. Oh, I'm glad to hear that. Sure, I'll come with you.
Subscribe and like. Thank you.
Hi, Mom. I'm back from arts and crafts class. Look at what I'm wearing. Well, you're wearing a blue t-shirt and jeans. Sure, but what else am I wearing? Oh, those earrings are very pretty. Is that what you're learning to make this week in arts and crafts class? Yes, we're learning to make jewelry from beads this week. The beads come in different colors and shapes. That sounds like a lot of fun. Yeah, Tom made a bead necklace for his sister, and I made some earrings. Guess what, Mom? I made a pair of earrings for you, too. Oh, those are very pretty. Thank you very much. Next week, I'm going to make a necklace. Hi, Steve. Thanks for coming to my housewarming party. Hello, Sue. Thanks for inviting me to see your lovely new home. It's beautiful. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Did you decorate your house all by yourself? Yes, I did. I traveled around Europe last summer. I got some beautiful furniture for my house there. Do you plan to go on a new trip this summer? Yes, I am planning to visit China. That's great. How long will you be there? I will be there for a month. You can find some beautiful things in China for your new house. You should go shopping while you are there. Of course. It will be fun to go shopping there. By the way, please help yourself to the refreshments. Thanks. The food looks delicious. Did you finish your homework for English class? Homework? There wasn't any homework. We had to finish reading a book and then write a 200-word essay on it. I don't think Miss Jones gave us any homework. I always write what I have to do in my notebook. Did she really tell us to write an essay? Yes, look. Here's my essay. See? Oh no. What am I going to do? We've only got 10 minutes before class starts. I don't know. Maybe Miss Jones will let you hand it in tomorrow? Hey, let me copy your essay. I'll change a few words. Miss Jones will never know. No, I'm sorry. That's not the right thing to do. Oh, come on. I thought you were my friend. I am your friend. That's why I'm not letting you copy my homework.
Subscribe and like. Thank you.
Are you going to the new Tim Cross movie tonight? I don't know. It looks kind of boring. Really? I think it looks quite interesting. Besides, Tim Cross is a famous actor. He may be famous, but I don't think he's a very good actor. He always acts in the same sort of movie. He never does anything different. Well, at least you think he's good looking, right? No, not really. He always looks so sleepy. But most girls think he's handsome. Maybe that's why he is so famous. None of my friends think he is good looking at all. I used to like him a few years ago, but now I think he's not handsome at all. Hey, I just got a haircut to try to look more like him.
Wow.
Well, that explains why I don't like your new haircut. Hi, Mom. Guess what? We got our English test back today. I got the highest score in my class. Aw, Billy, I'm glad you did so well. You worked hard for that test. Thanks, Mom. I'm hungry. What's for dinner? We're going to your aunt's place for dinner tonight. It's your grandfather's birthday today. Remember? Oh, no, I forgot. I haven't got a birthday gift for Grandpa. Don't worry. I bought a gift for him yesterday from the three of us. Anyway, your English test score is a good gift for your grandfather. The whole family will be at the party tonight. All your aunts, uncles, and cousins are coming. I haven't seen the whole family in a long time. Well, you'll see them tonight. Now, hurry up and get ready. Okay, when are we leaving? When your father gets home from work. Will you play any sports this year? I want to play hockey, but I'm not sure if I will have enough time. I'm on the school's soccer team. I'm also going to take up swimming. You're going to be in the soccer team and swim too? Yeah? That seems like a lot. You will be very busy. Do you think you will have any free time? I will play soccer with my school team during the week. I will go swimming during the weekend. When will you have time to do your homework? And when will you study? I do my homework after school every day. I study every weekend. My mother won't let me play sports until I have done all my work. Well, I hope you find enough time for both schoolwork and sports. Good luck! I had a big problem at the office today. What happened? I could not use my computer all day. Was it because of a virus? Yes, I opened a file that had a virus. Oh no, you must be careful when you open files in your computer. A virus can make your whole computer crash. It was an accident. I didn't know the file had a virus. I'll be more careful next time. What did you do next? But the real problem is that I may have lost some of my work. Don't worry. Your work is probably still on your computer. I can help you get it back. Next time, make sure you have backup files, just in case it happens again.
Subscribe and like. Thank you.
I'm thinking about buying a big screen TV. Wow, I've seen a lot of those in the store. They cost a lot of money. Can you afford to buy one? They do cost a lot of money, but I really enjoy watching TV. I think it's much more fun to watch TV shows on a big screen. I've never watched TV on a big screen. Do you think the quality of the picture is good? Yes, the quality is great. When you watch soccer games, you feel like you are right there on the field. When you buy the TV, can I come over to your house? Then I can enjoy watching TV on the big screen with you. I have to save some money to buy the TV first. It will be a few months before I can afford to buy it. What do you want to be when you grow up, Mark? I want to be a teacher. I think I would like to help children learn. Well, teachers work very hard, and they are not paid much money. I don't care about money. Teaching is an important job. What subject do you want to teach? I want to teach mathematics, like Miss Kim. She makes learning fun. I didn't know that I would like math so much until I joined her class. Now, mathematics is my favorite subject. If you want to teach math, you'll have to work hard and learn it well. No problem. I just got an A on mathematics examination last week. With good teachers like Miss Kim, learning is easy. I want to be a teacher too, but I want to teach English, not math. We are having a summer sale. Everything is 50% off the normal price. Really? Everything? Yes, everything is on sale, including sunglasses, hats, and bags. All the summer clothes are on sale too. I do need new sunglasses. I lost mine when I went to the beach this summer. Oh, these are really nice. What is the price of these? There is no price tag on them. Well, there's no price tag on those sunglasses because they are mine. Really? I would like to get a pair of sunglasses just like these. Where did you get them? Actually, I got them for $15 with Super Glasses. There is a Super Glasses store in this mall, isn't there? Yes, but let me show you the sunglasses we have on sale. No thanks. I'll just go to Super Glasses.
Subscribe and like. Thank you.